In the Loopshore Cloud service, an admin can take a location out of use by archiving it without losing its measurement history. The admin's location hierarchy shows all buildings, floors, and rooms. When a location goes out of use, it can be set aside without losing its measurement history. The trash icon doesn't delete the location right away. By default, it archives it. The window that opens lists the location and all its sublevels. Archiving hides them from users, but all the historical data is kept safe. Archived locations can be shown with a separate option. An archived row appears dimmed and with a distinct marker, hidden from ordinary users, but kept safe and restorable at any time. Storing is just as easy. The green icon opens a confirmation, and it brings the location back into view. Analyses, alarms, and surveys continue automatically. That's how you keep the location hierarchy tidy without losing anything. Explore the Loopshore Cloud service at loopshore.com.